And Natalia Cooper, a relatively mild end to summer.
Yes, Tomo, tomorrow will be warm, then it will be mild indeed on Saturday, the final day of summer. How is the rest of the long weekend shaping up? I'll have your full forecast from Callista very soon.
Hi guys! Welcome to Rinja Salamat Channel. Actually guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Callista Oban. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. Meron kasing event. They call it OMG Fringe. Ito yung mga bata. Ayan. Ayan o, OMG Fringe. So, there's a bird here. Dancing. Tapos nandito si Roger Cooks. Yung minister ng WA. Yes, yan na Roger Cooks din. Smiling to us. See it? There. You see it? The one with the white? The small only. No? It's bigger your dad. Say hi, Sienna. Hi. Pera, say hi. You see? Dancing the bird. That's the VIP. We cannot sit there.
Why is it only for VIP?
Maybe they're working from the government also, and then they have a position. So therefore, they're only. That's why they have a fence. Look, they have a nice chair also there. Look, Sienna is nice, the VIP chair. It's okay.
And I can't see.
And then, it's not bad. Far away, shoot me down. Look at the bird. What is doing, Sienna, to the girl? Huh? Oh. Sienna, this is the entrance. That's the way enter. Oh, the bird. Look, say hi, Sienna. Say hi to the bird. Pera, look at the bird. Pera, go here. This is a boy or a girl? He's drinking the drink. Yan, go na to your dad. Yung aabangan natin later, guys. Ayan. Pera! You want to take a picture with the bird? Sienna, look your dad. Sienna, you want to take a picture here? Fly like a bird. Okay na. Ito nga pala yung area, guys. Actually, maaga pa kaya hindi pa siya ganun karami ang tao. Kasi inaabangan dito, itong mamaya pag inilawan na to. Actually, anong oras na ba? 6:16, pero maliwanag pa. Kasi nga summer pa siya today. What day today? It's February 26, 2026. Summer siya. Nag-start yung summer nga pala dito sa Western Australia. November to February. End of February. Ang ganda ng bird, oh. Where's yours, dad na? Sienna? I can't see. Kasi meron sila mga yan. Binibenta mga glow. Kasi nga hanggang gabi siya. Tapos may mga food. Meron siyang emergency, ambulance. At ito yung mga food truck. Kapag gusto nila. Asan yung kasama ko? Sa mga gustong bumili at mag-dinner dito. Ayan. Ayan yung mga, naglagay sila ng table kasi nga para sa mga kakain ng dinner. May coffee din, may ice cream. Ayan o, Mr. Ed's Coffee. Nilalang ko sila ng jacket kasi malamig na siya mamaya. Alam mo yung weather dito weird eh. Mainit, tapos biglang lalamig. Ah, so cute the puppy. There. Food truck. Hanggang doon yung food truck. Hanggang doon. Say hi, high five. Hello. Hi. Kara.
Hey, go to the bird.
Go to the bird, high five.
It's gonna cuddle you.
Pera.
Sana mo there, look.
Don't block Pera.
Say hi. Hi.
Pera, this one oh, spinning around.
Oh, hi. Oh, it's dancing.
Oh, we like it.
Pera, in front of me, newscaster dito guys. Oh. Ganito lang kasimple ang newscaster, girl. Ayan yung girl. Tumatumi-subay siya. Nagkaway siya. Nakakatuwa. Pero asan yung kasama ko?
Go in the back of the girl when she's talking. You're not in the front.
In my line, I'll say, yes, Tomo, the last day of summer on Saturday is looking mild indeed. How is the rest of the long weekend shaping up? I'll have your forecast from Calista soon. And then you wave.
So when she says soon, you guys all go,
You can wave and cheer then.
and you'll see me too. I'll go like this, and you guys all go.
Embry.
That's good.
Ayan siya, channel 9 siya.
Look at these little kitties, they're adorable. Let's come in this way. Yeah, I can't see you there, so you guys got to squeeze in a bit.
Matagal din pala. Ganyan pala mag-artista. Ang tagal.
Sabi 8 minutes.
Oo.
Sa anak mo, tayo na sa unahan.
Ay, itong dalawa.
Sa unahan.
Nangangalay na ako eh.
Oo nga, napupuno na yung story.
There na daw, there.
Ready na. Ready na raw. Pinaka-pista. Siguro.
Yes, tomorrow will be warm, and then it will be mild indeed on Saturday, the final day of summer. How is the rest of the long weekend shaping up? I'll have your full forecast from Calista very soon.
You guys were awesome! Boy, don't. Look at the lights, it's changing. Ready? Smile. There you go here, Leo in the front.
Cannot see you.
Yeah.
Let me take you back to the 6167.
6'7". Si Ana 6'7 daw.
Postcode of Panana 616 there.
Ah. Airplane, paper.
High up in the gum tree stand, soundtrack to our lost cause we dusty land. Straight out, straight out,
Parmilia.
straight out,
Medina. Who's the one singer of that? Kalista.
Remember hanging at the hub, yeah, that was a spot. Sharing all our secrets, whether we had a lot of knots. From the early morning till the sun began to dip. Every moment a future memory trip. Dirt bike buzzing, through the bush we tear. Adrenaline pump, no sign of a kid.
Oops. Who's that? Why the kid go there? Oh. Maybe they allowing. Hi, Peira, ate. Hi, Peira. You go to my video there. Go near to the bird. Sienna, go near to the bird. There. It's like a fried chicken.